Hi, and thank you for purchasing this template. This project is compatible with Adobe After Effects version CS6 and above, so let's take a look at how to edit it. First, download the delivery zip file and make sure you unpack all the files before opening up the project. Double-click on the AEP file inside the project folder to open up the project. All the editable elements will be inside the 00UChange folder, and there are three versions inside: a 4K version, a Full HD resolution, and a vertical version for mobile devices. So let's choose the Full HD version, and we'll open up the Full HD composition. All the main elements have been added to this composition, and you can extend the duration and make it as long as you want it to be. First, let's import some files for this project, and we'll choose a logo file, an audio file, 4 property images, and a map image. Now let's open up the Common Elements section and add the logo. You can press S to bring down the scale property and adjust the size if needed. If you're using a vector format, please remember to enable the rasterize feature by clicking here, so you can scale it without losing quality. To change the slogan on the website, simply double-click on the composition, then double-click on the text to change it. Next, let's add the images. It's very important to not just add the images, but replace the sample images with your images. And to do that, with both layers selected, press Ctrl, Alt, and /, or Command Option / on Max to correctly add the photos into the composition. To change the info base, open the composition and double-click on any text to change it. If you do not want the social media icons, you can select them and delete them by pressing the delete button. Next, we have the features section. By moving this marker, you can set the duration of the animation. And to change any icons, you can right-click and choose Reveal Layer Source in Project, and choose a new icon. Then press Ctrl Alt / or Command Option / on Max to replace the icon. You can also add additional features by duplicating the composition. Just make sure to do that in the project panel area. So with the layer selected, choose Edit, Duplicate, and then you can bring the composition into the timeline. The highlights and comment sections work similarly, so let's jump to the location section. We can change the map by replacing the existing sample layer. So press Ctrl-Alt/. Next, let's open up the color control. Select the layer and click on the Effect Controls panel. If you can't see the Effect Controls panel, press F3 to bring it up. Click on any color to change it. And you can also turn off the logo fill by checking this checkbox. And finally, to add the audio file, simply drag it into the main composition. Next, let's take a look at rendering this template. Select the composition and choose Composition, Add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue. The basic settings will work fine. You just need to click under the output file to set the destination path of your video, then click on the green play button to start rendering. Thank you for watching this tutorial and good luck with this project.